Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable True Tone on iPhone. So there are two ways for this. So first is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to display and brightness, tap on that, and here on the brightness section you will see the True Tone option. So just switch it on. So I have mine currently turned off, so here I turned it on. To turn it off, just tap on that again. You can also adjust the brightness right here if you want. And the other way to turn this on or off is by swiping at the top right of your screen to access the control center. And once you're here, just tap and hold the brightness here, so this will pop up, and you could either turn dark mode on or off here, night shift mode, and True Tone here at the very right side. So tap on that and it will automatically be turned on. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.